This is the Cosmic Byte Immortal headset. This is the cheapest wireless gaming headset available on Amazon. And today I'm going to be reviewing this headset. First, let's unbox this product. The box contains 2.4 GHz wireless dock, a Type A to Type C charging cable, detachable microphone, Type C to 3.5 mm aux cable. The aux cable is 120 cm and the charging cable is 80 cm. Build quality is fully plastic, no metal here. The weight is around 250 grams. No swivel on the headset. This is a very comfortable headset, but I am concerned that for long use it can get really hot. It's not a breathable headset, not suitable for long-term gaming sessions. Let's walk through all the ports and buttons on the left ear cup. First is the mic mute toggle, power button. This is a function button and this is the volume rocker. One thing to keep in mind is that the volume roller controls the headset volume and not the operating system's volume like Windows or Android. All the action buttons have a voice announcement for interactions.
Immortal headset on. Wi-Fi mode. Pairing. Connected. LED off. LED on. Game mode. Music mode. Bluetooth mode. Wi-Fi mode.
All the important interaction buttons has a voice announcement. The RGB implementation is pretty all over the place. I usually turn these off to conserve battery. You cannot change the RGB effect. It's only on or off. This is a tri-mode connectivity headset. You can connect it through 2.4 GHz dongle, Bluetooth 5.3 or wired mode. I suggest using it in the 2.4 GHz dongle mode as it gives the least latency. I tested the 2.4 GHz dongle the most, and one thing to note is that it works on PC but it does not work on Android devices, at least not my Samsung phone. So you might need to switch to Bluetooth mode to connect to an Android mobile. This is the dongle. The dongle LED blinks blue when idle and static blue when the headset is connected to the dongle. I wish the dongle was smaller and USB Type-C. And on the headset, the white LED indicates 2.4 GHz mode and blue LED for Bluetooth mode. So next I tried out the Bluetooth mode and it worked on all the devices I tested. It worked on Windows and Android, but the microphone quality was not the best on Bluetooth mode. I suggest sticking to 2.4 GHz mode. You can also connect these headphones through wired mode with the included cable in case you wanted to use it wired. Now coming to audio performance, the sound signature is very basic V shape. The bass response is very punchy, maybe too much. It overpowers the mids and highs. It's hard to hear footsteps and male vocals. There is a game mode. The game mode does improve the mids and highs. You can hear more footsteps on that mode, but the bass does suffer when you switch to game mode. One thing to note is that when you switch to game mode and if you use Bluetooth, it decreases the latency a bit. I primarily think this headphone is for basic games and story games and not for competitive titles like Counter-Strike or Valorant. In terms of latency, the dongle mode and wire mode gives the lowest amount of latency. The Bluetooth mode is also fine, not bad, but I suggest using the 2.4 GHz dongle or wired mode. In terms of microphone quality, it's pretty good. The environmental noise cancellation is also pretty decent. I'll show you guys a sample. Hello. Check. This is a microphone test on the Immortal headset over 2.4 GHz dongle. And this is over Bluetooth. You guys tell me how it sounds. If you use the Bluetooth mode, the microphone tends to be of lower quality compared to the other two. In conclusion, I think these headphones are great, especially for beginner, especially if you need a basic wireless gaming headset with a decent amount of bass, but I would not recommend this to professional gamers or anything in the audiophile realm. I mainly bought this because this is the cheapest headset with the 2.4 GHz dongle and a decent microphone. In terms of its competitors, there is one headset from Spinbot, a similar looking gaming headset, but it has other problems. I did not buy that because many people were returning their headphones according to the Amazon site, so I bought the Cosmic Byte instead, and I think this is a great value headset for anyone on a budget and needs a gaming headset, so it's a recommendation from me. I got this for around 2000 rupees, so I'll put the link in the description. If you're interested, you can check it out, and that's it from me. Thank you guys.